Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we are doing a phone background. So I'm going to go ahead and switch EV out to cycles, and I'm going to go ahead and amend the pixels for the image so it will fit my phone. So 1440, and then we were 3088. Alright, so we're going to go to 77, delete the default cube, and also change out your render engine from EV to cycles if you haven't already. And we'll go ahead and add in a plane. S for scale. To scale this up, we want view, align camera to view. Make sure that the background covers this side of everything. We're going to go ahead and add in some UV spheres. Right click shade smooth. Now these UV spheres are going to sit on the surface of our plane, so what I want you to do is just arrange them in any random order. Let's see. I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm just going to go ahead and add in texture for this one. So we're going to have metallic up, roughness down, and then we'll make this kind of like a silver or something. Alright, so Shift D on this one. Let's go ahead and move these around. Shift D, G on that side. I'm just going to go ahead and select everything and just move this. Don't select the background. Says she just did it again. But let's go with some oddballs on that side, some oddballs on that side. Alright, so once we've got something like this, let's go to the sculpt mode, view, and we want 7 to heaven. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to make little bumps around all of this. So I'm just going to go with, let's see, cameras, active camera. Right, okay, so large, sculpt mode kind of thing on the back. Sorry, sculpt mode is on the back, and then you want a large size for the brush. So all we're going to do is just kind of like go around the edges right here, although it doesn't seem to be working, which is weird. Let's see, the blob. Is blob working? Sorry, 1 second. Blooming heck, I've not even subdivided it. I've had a long day today. Right, go ahead onto the edit mode, subdivide. Oh my goodness, right, and then go back to object mode, shade smooth, and then we'll go to sculpt mode, and we can do the view from the camera. Oh my gosh, right. So now we're just going to add some little bumps around the edge here. Just under every single one of them. So we've got something like this. Alright, so when we render this, we should have these little marbles on the back right here. What I'm going to do is let's get some lighting in here, and let's also get some texture on the back there. So let's split the atom right here. It's not working. Come on. There we go. Alright, so add. We'll go with plane. G to bring this up. S to scale this across, and bring that down as such. These can be as big or as small as you want. You need them past the camera at the back, so bring them up. These are going to be emissions, so change them from principal BSDF to emission. And when we render this, we can now see that this is present. So I don't think this is long enough, so let's go with S for scale. And what I'm going to do is let's turn up the emission ever so slightly. Get rid of the original default light. And let's go with regular view just for a moment. I'm going to go ahead, duplicate these lights just across randomly. And what we should have in the end is nice little marbles kind of coming through. I think we're gonna up the transmission a little bit just there, so you can kind of... So when we're in shading, let's go ahead and put the roughness up just a little bit. We'll go ahead and add a bump texture in here, so add and a bump. Let's go to noise texture. I want height. Put that bump texture onto the roughness. Distance up. Filter width up. We'll go ahead with this noise texture again. Shift D. It shouldn't have appeared there, but let's backtrack that a minute. Alright, so for some reason it's gone straight into there. I think my computer's playing catch up. Let's give it a minute. Alright, this one. Shift D. There we go. Alright. So let's go with add. Color ramp. That in there. You have almost like a black and white behind if you want to. And let's go back to layout. It's kind of a mess, I'll be honest with you. But we could change. Let's go with the emission. Right here. Change this to kind of like a purple or something. And then just turn it down just ever so slightly. And I think at that point what we need is add. We'll go light, point. I know we just got rid of one. Let's press G, bring this up. Gonna maybe do so we've got purple kind of thing, we'll do green or something. Add the emission up. So you can kind of see the shadows and stuff. Or maybe we'll do like a red. Kind of coming in at that side, and then we'll go ahead and do Shift D. Move down, G. Oops. G, go across, come on. And then we'll put a blue in or something like that. So let's view the camera, what the camera can see. And then these marbles, what I might do is I might just put the roughness down a little bit, or up. So we can kind of see what's going on, but it's not quite as sharp. Yeah, I think that kind of looks cool. It's a little bit retro. Yeah. So if you guys like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.